when the Britishers are coming and painting in India and they have taken a lead, so what must have happened to the painters who were there in the various courts of India? Interestingly and gladly, one thing is very clear, that some of the Indian Nawabs and Rajas tried to keep the Indian tradition alive in spite of lot of difficulties that they were facing. And in this, first of all, we have to understand the state of Mysore, wherein Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan did not encourage at all the Western style of painting, and the mural style of painting was kept alive by these Nawabs. Of course, the Battle of Polilur, in which the Britishers were defeated by the rulers of Mysore, was painted by the Indian artist. So, same thing what they had in mind, that is to keep the memory alive of the victories, so that it would give them encouragement and it would make the people or give the people that feeling that still they have not been defeated. When we talk of Murshidabad, the main style of painting at Murshidabad was the miniature style of painting, which the Nawabs of Murshidabad again tried to keep it alive by giving lot of patronage to the court artist. One of the very beautiful paintings of Murshidabad court is the procession of Eid, and in which they have clearly tried to keep the Indian style of painting intact. Now, these paintings which were made were of course to keep what in mind? To see that the Indians are still alive, that they have still not been totally subjugated by the Britishers. But slowly, with the time to come, the Indian rulers were one by one defeated by the Britishers. So their power and money eroded. When they were themselves not able to keep themselves at the upper hand, then how could they survive or make the survival of others? That is, they could not give patronage to the painters of that time. Therefore, it was a very sorry situation when the painters had to run away from the courts. But thankfully for India, the Britishers sitting in Britain wanted to know more about India. So, the Indian artists painted plants, animals, buildings, monuments, festivals and crafts of India, which were readily bought by the Britishers sitting in Britain.